What the dog doing?
Bitch, I'm on your head early. Boy, you built like a goddamn refrigerator. But bitch, you really shaped like a postal stamp. Get your ass over here, I'm about to mail this letter. So sharp ass teeth you got, boy, your mouth a lumberjack. Every day you go out in the forest and chop down trees with your mouth only. Your oh my god. But why those damn eyebrows you got levitated? Be on your forehead, not on top of your goddamn head. Some shit look like black rainbows. How is that? But you don't get nothing. You get this dude. But I'ma come back to you. I wanna talk about how his arm's so short he can't touch his knees. Bitch, get like her. You don't got no pants, you can't put them shits on. I would say somebody uppercut you in your right eye, but I never heard of an orange eye before. Oh, so now we on you. And this supposed to be a black cat? That's a goddamn black demon! Oh my god, it's so yellow. Helma's got the good drugs. So sharp ass demon horns you got, you call ear. I never knew a piece of charcoal can grow eyeballs. Bitch, you look like that shit at the bottom of the grill after we done cooking. But who mans is this? Your eyebrow said forget levitating. We about to fly on the body here. Some shit's not even your body no more. I don't know what you did for them eyebrows to just up and leave like that. Y'all had a good life up to this point, but now they gotta go. To get their own place. It just isn't enough room for everybody. Them big ass eyeballs taking up all the space. No wonder they moved out. Where they supposed to sleep at? Behind your eyelids, bitch. Agree that these dudes is the animal version of Ed, Ed, and Eddie. Oh what? Y'all thought I wasn't gonna make a theory? Well, here you go.